Welcome back to Lori's Life. Thanks for joining me today. I'll be doing a recipe of chicken salad on a burrito with cucumbers, and instead of mayo for chicken salad, I'll be using some sour cream. So I'll be adding chives, salt and pepper, and a little cumin. Very simple recipe today. I just have to use up my arugula that I grew. So that's why I'm doing a recipe today. Everybody around here is getting over a cold, so we didn't really feel like eating much. So here goes the chicken. This was from a nice Nature's Promise rotisserie chicken. And I just chopped up some cucumbers, like a rough chop. Just gonna mix that up. So it's a rainy day here in Massachusetts. What better thing to do than a nice recipe with microgreens. So I put it right on the burrito, the tortilla, and I'll wrap it up like a nice little burrito. So as you can see, my arugula is starting to look old, so I gotta use it up. I think I'll do a chili dog tomorrow, or maybe later tonight. Okay, rolling this up. I think I always put too much inside, but it will turn out pretty good. Okay, here's for the taste test. Trying to chew my food 40 times. I did a test this morning. I had bacon, pineapple, and pancakes. So the pancakes only took about 20 chews. The pineapples only about 30, but the bacon definitely 40 chews or more. That way the nutrients get absorbed in your body better, supposedly. I'm looking as I age for any little tip to help me stay healthy. All right, like and subscribe.